Hi everyone, Kevin here. Welcome back to Tech Tip Tuesday. Have you ever wondered how you can provide remote assistance to someone? Meaning, let's say you're trying to assist and you need to see someone's computer screen. Well, if you and the person that you're trying to assist are both using a Windows 10 computer, there's a built-in utility that makes this very easy. Let me show you how. So as I mentioned, in order to use this tool, both you and the person you're trying to assist need to be using a Windows 10 device, and you have to be communicating with that person. You can't just get onto their computer. So, both you and the person you are trying to assist are going to click on the Start button, and then type in the word Quick and select Quick Assist. The person you are trying to assist is going to wait to get a code from you. You are going to click the Assist Another Person button, and then within a few moments, you will actually get a code on screen that you will give to the person you are trying to assist, and then they will click the Share Screen button. Once that happens, it will allow you to see their screen and help them through whatever you're trying to help them through. And when you close the session, it can no longer be reestablished unless you both go back through the same process of opening the Quick Assist tool, you generate a new code, and that person enters the code so that you mutually agree to connect. I hope you found this information useful. If you're new here, click up here to subscribe to the YouTube channel, and if you'd like to watch another episode of Tech Tip Tuesday, you can click up here. That is all for now. I hope you have a great rest of your week.